It's Big Mike with Let's Ride Motorcycle Repair, your mobile motorcycle technician. So, as some of you may have known, some of you may not know, I am a recovering addict. I was a drug addict and alcoholic for 14 years of my life. I'm 41 now. So it's a good chunk of my life that I was screwed up and messed around with a whole bunch of family. Made a whole bunch of terrible decisions. Got caught up with them. Went to jail several times. It doesn't get any better, by the way. In case you was ever wondering if jail got better, no. Room service sucks, and the concierge down at the front desk is kind of an a-hole. But nevertheless, y'all, I was able to recover with the help of my family, my friends. I actually lost a lot of friends during the process, but was able to gain friends that were actually for me. So on today's little message, I guess, it's help your friends. Not necessarily anything about motorcycles, although if you do ride with somebody that has a problem and then they're trying to get clean, don't call them a quitter. Don't tell them that, oh yeah, quitters or only girls quit, or yeah, you just can't handle it no more. That's fine. They're really trying. And being an addict and getting off of being an addict is something that is incredibly difficult. Be with them, answer their phone calls, answer their texts. Just know that they're there. Let them know that you're there to help them. Otherwise, are you really a friend? Friends want to see other friends do good, doesn't matter what the benefit is for them. So, look out for them. Help them out. Don't take them to bars for dinner. You gotta remember, when people quit drinking or quit doing drugs, they have to reprogram everything they do, because everything they did centered around drugs or alcohol. Simple things like barbecuing, grilling, cooking dinner, eating dinner, going out to eat. All those things have to be reprogrammed to where you don't have a drink or a drug in your hand. So be kind to those who are trying to get sober. Help them out if you can. If they're your riding buddies, definitely treat them like family and try and get them help as soon as possible. So today, not much of a motorcycle message, but be blessed, y'all. The Lord does love you. And this is Big Mike with Let's Ride Motorcycle Repair, your mobile motorcycle technician, saying, hey, let's ride.